fucking drunk. Brent Bird. He worked in a pizza place. He fucking went to punk rock shows. He hugged a singer and barfed in his shoe. He gets fucked up on a bunch of beer. He drinks it fast. He licks your ear. Brent Bird. You drunk. Brent Bird, you fucking conk. Brent Bird. He's gonna kick you. He's gonna fucking stumble around on your nut. Brent Bird is gonna take your town. He's gonna fucking use it for a clown. Brent Bird will listen to TSOL and Social Distortion on his fucking thing. He's gonna make the music make him fucking crazy. He's gonna make it with alcohol. He's gonna with the hi-hat. He's gonna make a sculpture out of some beer. Brent Bird, yeah. Brent Bird is gonna alcohol crazy. Brent Bird, he's the best. He gets fucking looped, then he makes a fucking vest out of some Tylenol. He's gonna panel your floor with his barf. He's gonna puke in a shoe. He's gonna stage dive a shrew. He's gonna fucking take a wheel and make some meat out of your face. Brent Bird is wasteder than you. Brent Bird doesn't even know how to fucking speak Japanese, but he does. He fucking gets clockier than your nut. He uses Panasonic for a slut. He has porno mags. I beat off to them once when I stayed at his house, but he was fucking passed out. Fuck yeah! Brent Bird, fucked up. Brent Bird is fuckeder than up. Brent Bird, fucked up. He's gonna use you for a barf shoe. He's gonna play a tape wrong. He's gonna rewind it instead of fast forward a song. He's gonna bring beer over to your house and give you a fucking free pizza even though he gets fired, and then he goes to Akron U. Tattoos and leather jackets are Brent Bird's things that he wears on his body. He has some tapes and some punk records too. He doesn't even fucking hesitate to fucking kill you. He's got all kinds of shit in his life that he knows, 'cause he drinks beer too. He's gonna assault you, even though he's fucked up and he doesn't even know where the fuck he is, 'cause he's wasted.